If you have minor children in your household, do not worry. All of our estate plans come with a kids protection plan. So what does the kids protection plan include? Well, we're going to sit down and we're going to counsel you on naming short-term guardians. So those individuals that are readily available to take care of your children in an emergency situation. We will also name long-term guardians. So these would be the individuals that would actually care for your children long-term for longer periods of time than maybe just like an emergency situation where you need somebody right away within a half hour. Additionally, we are always going to do medical powers of attorney in case you guys go out of town for a long weekend and you need somebody to have the ability to get your child some medical treatment in case of an emergency. Additionally, we will also outline any kind of special information for your children that you would want their caretakers to know, like who is their doctor, who is their dentist, are they on any kind of daily medications? Because if something were to happen to you, the last thing that you want is for your children's life to be interrupted even more so than it already would be. So we do try to focus on outlining daily activities, who their coaches are, what types of sports they're in, or extracurricular activities that they do, because we want to try to make sure that the children keep as much normalcy as possible in the event that you and or your spouse are not around to care for them. As part of that kids protection plan, we also give instructions to all of the people that have been named to take care of your children, because they got to know what to do and they got to have copies of the documents. So we give them all of that information. We also give them our name, our phone number in case something arises and they have questions or they're needing some additional guidance. And then last but not least, we always give both parents a ID card, a kids protection plan ID card. And what that essentially does is it goes in your wallet and it just says, hey, first responder, I have children, please call the people on this card in rotation, call them nonstop until somebody answers. They all have the proper documentation so that they can come and take care of my children. It's a really, really nice thing to do for the first responders, because then it tells them exactly who the individuals are that you trust, that are allowed to care for your children, and there's no guessing at maybe an accident scene as it relates to who should we call? Should we call DHS? Who's the closest family member? The first responders will have all of that information right there on the card that you'll keep in your wallet so that there's no questions in the event of a tragedy. If you guys have minor children in your household and you do not have a kids protection plan in place, definitely go to my website, definitely contact me. We want to make sure that your loved ones are well protected. You guys stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you soon.